also putting out a response that's coming from Kangana Ranaut to Shiv Sena's cheater Barb for insulting Mumbai. She's tweeted a picture of a Mumbai house and says, "This is my home in Mumbai. I believe that Maharashtra has given me everything, but I have also been the daughter of Maharashtra with devotion and love and willing to give my blood for the honor and dignity of women in the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. I came to Mumbai when I was 16 years old. Some friends said that Mumba Devi lives in Mumbai. We all went to see Mumra Devi. All my friends have gone back, but Mumra Devi kept me close to herself." This is her latest tweet. Kangana Ranaut putting out a detailed statement where she talks about how much Mumbai and how much Maharashtra really means to her. This comes at a time when Shiv Sena has been slamming Kangana Ranaut and in their latest statement referred to her as dishonest and as a cheater for how she insulted Mumbai when she put out the tweet comparing Mumbai to POK. In response, you have Kangana saying that she's been in Mumbai since she was 16 years old and she's been a daughter to Mumbai. She's been loyal and devout to the city. This is the statement that she's put out hours before she lands in the city as well. And this is in response to Shiv Sena's latest attack where they said that Kangana is a cheater and has been dishonest to the city. Vidya is joining us with more details on this. Vidya, interesting that Kangana is putting out the statement just hours before she makes her way to Mumbai. Some would see this as some sort of damage control for her earlier statements when she compared Mumbai to POK.
It certainly does seem so, but we know that Kangana is one of the persons who has always taken the system head on. Whether it comes to nepotism, to some of the very senior actors in the Bollywood, to anyone whether it is a politician or, in fact, a lot of people have even blamed her for acting on behalf of a particular political party. But nevertheless, yes, today is going to be an extremely hectic day in Mumbai, especially for Mumbai police, who will have to see to it that even though it is the Shiv Sena which is attacking, is being seen as attacking Kangana Ranaut. When Kangana Ranaut really rants in the city, there is no law and order problem. Remember, the Shiv Sainiks will be there. The Karni Sena, which is in support of Kangana Ranaut, has also promised to be there, while the Mumbai police will also be present in large numbers to see to it that nothing really untoward happens either to Kangana or anyone in the airport vicinity. So all that has to be maintained by Mumbai police. So it's going to be an extremely hectic day for the forces here.
All right, we'll have to see what really happens when Kangana reaches there. As Vidya pointed out, Kangana is going to land with Y category security. Karni Sena said they're going to be there. There are some reports that suggest that Shiv Sena also, some members could be at the airport. So we'll have to see what happens. For the moment, Vidya, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.